This is 1 million from Photoshop, a series of stories about how I managed to go from being a door-to-door sales agent living with my parents in ex-communist Romania to a successful freelancer, entrepreneur, and Photoshop instructor. Hi there, I'm Chris Barron, and I'm excited to tell you how I managed to create a fantastic career, financial stability, and a great life all through Photoshop, working hard, working smarter, and working long enough. Please be aware that this is not a how-to course or a guide by any means. I won't teach you how to get rich, that's the essence. This is me telling my story and what I've learned over the years in freelancing, business, design, marketing, productivity, and a whole lot more. The objective is to get to know me, learn from my mistakes, and get inspired. Hopefully start something on your own. But please, treat this as entertainment. This is not a business course. I decided to tell my story because it's a pretty remarkable one. How I managed to become one of the best Photoshop instructors in the world, even though my English was awful. How I developed my web design skills at an incredible rate, and I managed to outdesign some very experienced professionals, making over $50,000 in the process. How I used Photoshop to create mobile apps that were downloaded over 120 million times. How I built teams and businesses. How I made over $1 million in profit through Photoshop. And it's all explained in the next hours. If you've seen any of my design courses and you're curious to know more about me, then this is for you. Let's get started.